On August 12, 2024, officers with the Fitchburg Police Department in Wisconsin responded to a residence after a 911 hang-up call.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
Hi, there's an issue though. We have no contact orders. And we saw each other. And he tried to break my neck.
Where did this happen?
You know what? Never mind.
Fitchburg Police, Kevin, you need to come to the door. We aren't leaving. Someone was screaming for help. You need to come to the door. We're going to force our way in. Remember if they speak Spanish or only speak Spanish?
I think he speaks English.
Okay.
If I recall correctly.
All right. Fitchburg Police, come to the door.
Coming in here is not going to be good because there's shit all along here.
Is that door open?
This?
No, that one, yeah.
No, it's locked. 38, yeah.
Go ahead.
You tried calling that number a few times more? Where the caller was?
Yeah, I have a... Last time I called it went right to voicemail.
Kevin, you need to come to the door. We need to make sure you guys aren't hurt.
Yeah, it just goes to voicemail again. It rang that time, though.
Fitchburg Police, Kevin, come to the door. No neighbors said any, or answered? Yeah.
I talked to the woman. She didn't hear anything.
Okay.
He says he didn't hear anything.
Yeah.
Well, the service happened out here in the parking lot, right?
Yeah, and that's what she saw.
And then they both went back in here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
She was really worried about him because he looked really panicked.
You haven't seen anybody in there?
No. There's one bedroom that the blinds are pulled, you can't see. We could see in the other bedroom. But I think Odell say those blinds are closed now too.
They both speak English, don't they?
I think so.
Yeah.
I didn't know they both still lived here. It's been a It's been a minute.
You do have a third roommate too. Can't remember his name. It's probably in there, but
It is. So Odell, why don't you go grab the 40 out of my back of my car?
Okay.
I don't know if this is going to be movable. We'll have to see.
You do announcements, Clint, and then Lisa and JP, you guys are hands team. I'll back you guys up.
Fitchburg Police! Kevin, come to the door. You gotta talk to us. We're going to be coming in. Fitchburg Police. To check your welfare, so you need to come to the door now or we are coming in. Are you in there? It's Fitchburg Police. Final warning, we are coming in. If you hear us, let us know that you hear us and that you're coming to the door.
Kevin, you need to come to the door. We're coming in.
Fitchburg Police. A lot of shit. No.
We better deport.
Oh, this is on a chain. Fitchburg Police. Kevin, are you in here?
Fitchburg Police. Kevin, you need to come to the door right now and make yourself known.
Fitchburg Police.
Yep.
All right, come on up.
he's coming.
I'm gonna have you go all the way outside, or do you need an ambulance? All right, go all the way outside.
Okay.
Is Kevin
back there? Is he back there or no?
Is he?
Go.
Okay, come with me.
Go with my. Go on.
What's his name, Kevin?
Hey, you want to take the 40 then?
I'm gonna stay with
No, just stay there for now.
Okay.
Kevin. Then hold them one at a time here. Let's take the bathroom first. Go, GP.
Clear. Clear.
All right, hold there, Kevin. Or Clint. Kevin, are you in here? Kevin.
Inside the closet.
Kevin, come out of the closet now.
I got taser here too.
This closet door's closed.
Oh, here. Kevin, come out. Got him. Quit playing games here, man.
This closet door's closed though. Kevin, come on.
We'll take one more in here with us. All right. Lisa, which bedroom is he in? The one that we were in, or the one in the back? AC unit on in there?
There's no AC unit in there, so is he in here?
It's got to be in here.
Alright.
All right, hold on.
Kevin, if you're in here, make yourself known.
Hold on one
They're
second.
clearing in there, Pete. We'll just...
Okay, we're gonna hold here. We'll check on
Yeah.
this bed quick.
Okay, yeah. Clear? Alright, so...
All right, Kevin. We know you're in the closet. You need to call out to us right now. Moving. We got movement. Kevin. Kevin. Stand up right now with your hands raised.
You got him on the left side?
Yeah, left side over here.
Okay.
Kevin, right now, stand up with your hands raised.
Yeah.
Do you have a knife on you, Kevin? Kevin, do you have a knife?
Yeah.
Right.
Dude, stop
Keep
right
your
there.
hands,
Stop.
Hands up now!
Drop the knife.
Stop!
Drop the knife.
it! Drop it now!
From this point on, the audio from all 3 body cameras provided by the Wisconsin Department of Justice cuts out almost entirely.
The knife.
Drop it!
Drop the knife.
I'm over the stairs.
Stay down. Get on. Kevin.
The suspect, identified in the video as Kevin, received 3 gunshot wounds to the chest. Officers immediately began the process of extricating Kevin from the apartment and began giving life-saving measures. He was taken to the hospital where he died from his wounds 3 days later. His obituary listed a pulmonary embolism as the cause of death. According to Isthmus, an independent local news source out of Madison, Wisconsin, friends and family identified Kevin as the individual who placed the initial call to 911. The Wisconsin Department of Justice Division of Criminal Investigation concluded their investigation of the incident and found that the officers involved were not criminally liable.
Kevin, trying to save your life. Trying to save your life, Kevin.
Don't forget, my friend, to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and like the video so I can continue making exciting videos for you.